Okay, please stand up. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Okay. Let's start today's lesson. I will give you paper with some picture and words. Okay. You should match the pictures and words and stick in this paper. Yeah? Okay. 1, 2. Okay, please open it. Okay, please open it. Okay. There are 2 pictures and 2 words. Please match these words and pictures and put on this paper, yeah? When will you wear it? Okay. Did you finish?
Yes.
Is it winter or summer? No. Winter or summer. So, okay. Now let's check together. In winter, we wear leather boots and striped jacket. Yeah. In summer, we wear spotted tights. Yeah, very good. Well, now I will give you this puzzle. Please work it together, okay? Please pass it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, please pass it. Please pass it. Please pass it. Please work together. Oh, yeah, that's good. Please start here. Next one. 1. Okay, did you finish? No, not yet. Yeah, that's good. How about yours? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. No A. Did you finish?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me see your work. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Did you finish, children?
Yes.
Okay, please look. What word did you make in this column? Prepare, yeah. Let's check together. Plan, spirit, leader boots, jacket, flowery blouse, spotted ties, your notebooks and write. Today is the 20th of November, Wednesday. It's class. Today's lesson's topic is I prefer. I prefer. Okay, children, please put your pens down. Please put your pens down. Yes. I have a picture. Which pictures do you like? Which picture do you like? Here is number 1, number 2. Number 1. Okay. Which one is? Do you like? Number 1. Okay. Yes, sir. Which one? Number 1. Which one do you like? Number 1. And
Number 1.
number 1. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, which picture, which uniform do you like best? Number 3 and 4. How about you?
3.
Number
3.
3. How about you, children? Number 3. Okay. Little Moon, how about you? Number 3. Okay. Ultimate, what do you? Number 3. Udwald, what do you think? Number 3. Yes. Okay. Here is very nice uniform. It's very nice uniform. Okay. So today I will explain you like best. Like best, the same prefer. Prefer. You can use prefer with 2. Okay? For example, I prefer uniform number 1, 2, number 1, 2, 2. I prefer uniform number 3, 2, 4. Okay. So, I will give you this picture. You should say sentence using prefer to. Okay. Please choose one by one. Yeah? Okay, now please use this picture and say sentence with your partner. For example, I prefer blue bag to red bag. Like this. Turn by turn, yeah? Okay, please start. Please talking. Don't write, just talk. Yes? Okay? For example, I prefer to... Okay, please say louder. Don't write, just say. School bag, yeah? So please say. Winter, please say, I prefer blue bag to red bag. Like this. Okay. Now please say. Please say. Don't write. Don't write. Just say. I like this shirt. I prefer this shirt to this one. Please say. Okay, please say. Just say. It's plain shirt, it's checked shirt. So I prefer, which one is? Blue shirt, checked shirt. Okay, please say to him. Okay. Okay, please say. Please say. Okay, you can. Okay, it's far off here. Okay, please say. Please say. I like plain skirt. I prefer plain skirt to checked skirt. Please say. Well, did you say? Yeah. Now, please change your picture. Please change your picture. Okay? And say again. Okay, please say. Talk in English. Please say. Okay. Okay, did you finish? Yes. Now, please make notes for this structure. Please make notes. Okay. Well, let me explain. Okay, please look at me, children. Put your pens down. Yeah. Okay. Like. You can like more than. It's perfectly the same. Okay. For example, I like this uniform more than this one. Okay. Like more than. Prefer to. Okay. Now please say sentence again using this picture and this structure. For example, I like blue shirt more than brown shirt, like this. Okay. Now please say. Please say your. Just say. Right. Now please say your turn. Don't write, just say first. You say, I like this shirt more than shirt. Don't write, just say. I like this shirt more than this. Please say. No. Just say, I like blue bag.
Yeah.
What? I like striped. What's it? Shirt more than this one. Black. Okay? Black one. Check. Okay. Now I have a question. Who prefers blue bag to red bag? Please answer. Raise your hand. Who prefers blue bag to red bag? Answer. Who? Question, please.
I prefer red bag to blue.
Okay. So, here is Shine prefers blue bag to red bag. Okay, now please write one sentence about your friend. Okay, one sentence. One sentence, just one. Wow. Did you finish, Mr. Yeah, please read your sentence.
She prefers blue bag to red bag.
Yeah. Who wants to read your sentence? Ucha-san, do you want?
Prefers blue shoes to black shoes.
Yeah. Okay, next one, who wants? Well, did you finish?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now please open your books, page number 45. 45. Yeah. Exercise number 2A. There is a small text about Julia. Please read it. Please read it, okay? You have 2 minutes. Okay. Did you finish?
Yeah.
Yes. So, here is two questions. What does Julia prefer to? What does Julia like more? Who wants to answer this question? Please raise your hand. What does Julia prefer to? Okay, who wants? Please raise your hand. Julia? Okay, please raise your hand. Okay, please. Do you want? Yeah.
Julia prefers shoot to
Prefers
shoot
sandals. Okay. What does Julia like more? Julia likes jeans more than dress. Yeah. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Now please say about your partner, okay? For example, Kantoya prefers skirt to dress, like this. Now, please say, talk. Don't write, just say. Okay, please say about Chazonga. Please say about like this. Please say. Please say. Please talk. Children, you can choose face to face, yeah? I prefer okay. Children, don't use prefer more than. It's not correct. It's incorrect. Like to. Don't use. Okay, just prefer to like more than. Okay. Well, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. Now, please make exercise number 3A, page number 45. 45. Okay, now please write. You have 3 3 minutes. So, please write. Wow. Okay. Yes. Okay. Who wants to say sentence number 1? Sentence. Faster, please. Okay. Next one. Number 2. Sentence number 2. Okay.
I like that more than a ring.
A ring. Okay. Number 3. Okay. Next one, please.
She's afraid to play.
Yeah. Okay. Do you understand the last one?
My dad wants a fruit more than cheese.
More than? Yes. Yes. Okay. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. Please put your pens down. And now let's play a whisper game. Whisper game. Do you know whisper game? Okay. Please play this line. Okay. You can play this line, and that. Okay. I will say one word. Okay. Okay, what word? What? Morgan. Sure. It's your fault. Okay, please say. Punta. Dress. This word what? Dress. Okay, your turn. Boots, yes, it's correct. Translate it. Yeah? Yes. This word what? Skills. So, translation. Okay, I will say now 2 words. Yeah? Okay.
Striped jacket.
Yeah, striped jacket is like. Okay, what word? Yeah, plain skills. Very good. Yeah, flowery plants. Very good. Yes, good. Very nice. The last one. I will say a sentence, yeah? I'm sorry.
I prefer shirt school.
Your turn. Two candles. Your turn. Okay, answer your turn.
I prefer trousers.
I prefer jeans to trousers.
I prefer
Your turn.
I prefer just to skirts.
Yeah, very good. Okay, that's very good. Now, okay, now please say one sentence about your best friend. Okay, for example, my best friend is Bodhama. So, Bodhama likes sport uniform to jeans. Please say about your best friend. Okay? Please say your first name. My best friend's name is? Ulti. Please say, Yamsaha. Please say about your best friend. Okay, first. Yeah, okay. Okay, did you finish? So, now, please look at the bird. The boys. All boys, please stand up. Boys. Okay, now please use this one, okay? And peel and show me and stick here. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Accessories. So, show me. Peel, yeah. Okay, here is 2. So, no. Yes, please say scissors, big bag, small bag. Here is so. Okay, show me. I like small bag more than bigger ones. But some students think that girls. Here is 2. So, show me. Yes, no, yes. Here is Girls, so? Prefer. No, prefer. Here is girls, so? Prefer. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Now, please do all girls. Please stand up. Now, girls, you can do. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Looking. I. Here is more than. Here is more than. So what word is?
Like.
Yes. I like trousers. Prefers trousers. What? Yep. 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 No, this one here is prefers. So, yes. Please say two jeans. Here is two. Here is two. So, yeah, that's good. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We is here. We. So, prefer uniforms to casual clothes. Like uniforms. What word is there? Like. Yeah. Yeah. So. More than smart clothes. Okay, thank you, Tina. So, when we use like, more than, prefer to. Don't use prefer more than. It's wrong. Like to. It's wrong. Just prefer to. Like more than. Okay. Now, at home. Okay. Exercise number 7 on page 51. Page number 51. Please make notes for your homework. Okay, homework. Okay. Did you make notes for your homework?
Yes.
Okay, the lesson is over. Thank you, children. Okay, thank you. The lesson is over.